In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace for free. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, an artist, or simply someone who wants to share their passion with the world, having an online presence is crucial, and Squarespace provides a wonderful platform to do just that, even allowing you to try it out for free. Let's dive into how you can get started. Begin by visiting the official Squarespace website. One of the great things about Squarespace is that by creating a new account, you're automatically granted access to their services at no cost, at least initially. This free access allows you to explore and experiment without any commitment, so it's perfect for those just starting out. Make sure you have a working email address and a strong password ready, as this will be needed to set up your account. Once your account is set up, you'll encounter a brief questionnaire. Squarespace uses this information to guide you in setting up your site. They might ask questions regarding the type of site you want to create, whether it's for a personal project, a business, or a portfolio. These questions help tailor your experience to suit your needs, ensuring you make the most out of the features offered. Next, you'll be presented with two options: choosing a pre-made template or using AI to build one for you. If you're unsure about web design, a pre-made template offers a wide range of beautifully crafted designs. They're professional and polished, requiring minimal adjustments. However, if you want something more unique or specific, Squarespace's AI can assist in building a site that aligns with your preferences. It analyzes your inputs and generates a design that's tailored to your vision, saving you time and effort. With your site framework in place, it's time to get creative and customize it. Squarespace provides a variety of blocks, like text, images, and videos, that you can simply drag and drop into place. You can easily adjust the layout and design by using the Style Editor. This lets you fine-tune elements like fonts, colors, and spacing, helping your site look exactly how you imagine it. Once you're satisfied with the customizations, it's important to save your work. Forgetting to save can lead to losing precious changes or updates you've made, and nobody wants that. Simply clicking Save will ensure all your customizations are stored and your site remains exactly as you designed it. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use Squarespace for free and kickstart your online presence. Don't hesitate to explore and test different features until you find the perfect look for your site. Squarespace makes it easy to put your work into the world with style and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.